Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs from pharmaceutical chemistry on structures. We are going to talk about the heterocycles present in various structures used in pharmaceutical chemistry. And we are on part 2. To start with part 2, the first question is dash amongst the given contains isoxazole heterocycle, whether it is sulfamethoxazole, whether it is sulfadiazine, whether it is sulfasalazine, or none of them. The correct answer is it is sulfamethoxazole. Amongst the given options, all are sulfonamides, and the sulfonamides, which of the sulfonamide given contains isoxazole heterocycle? The isoxazole heterocycle, as you can see here in the structure, it is nothing but isoxazole. Ole is for 5-membered unsaturated ring, which you can see over here, and it is isoxazo. So it is oxa and aza, and it is iso, so it is present at second position. So it is isoxazole nucleus, it is called as. This heterocycle is present in which of the sulfonamide given amongst the option? So the sulfonamide which contains isoxazole is sulfamethoxazole. Here you can see in the structure, this is sulfanilamide moiety, where the hydrogen is replaced with some heterocycle or functional group. So the heterocycle which is present on sulfanilamide moiety is isoxazole, and at fifth position there is presence of methyl group. So it is sulfa-methoxazole. Me for methyl, sulfa for sulfanilamide, and oxazole, that is isoxazole. So it is sulfa-methoxazole. Next question is sulfa-methoxazole contains dash heterocycle. Whether it is pyridine, whether it is pyrazine, whether pyrazinamide or isoxazole. The correct answer is it is isoxazole. Just now we have seen that sulfamethoxazole contains isoxazole heterocycle, which you can see here, and the details of isoxazole we have already discussed. But here the difference is the way of asking the question. They may ask you that particular name, that sulfamethoxazole contains which heterocycle, or either they may ask you the question like this, that which of the given or dash amongst the given contains isoxazole heterocycle. So the answer is same for both, only the way of asking the question is different. Now next question is dash sulfonamide is present in cotrimoxazole. Now the combination cotrimoxazole is nothing but it is a combination of trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole. So here which of the sulfonamide is present in the cotrimoxazole? Whether it is sulfacetamide, sulfamethoxazole, sulfadiazine or sulfasalazine. The correct answer is it is sulfamethoxazole, because cotrimoxazole is nothing but combination of sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim. So the sulfonamide which is present in cotrimoxazole is nothing but sulfamethoxazole. Next question is dash ring is present in proflavin. As you all know, proflavin is nothing but it belongs to antiseptic disinfectant, and proflavin is the drug, or sorry, is the agent, you cannot call it as drug, it is the agent wherein it contains one fused heterocycle. So which amongst the given option is that heterocycle? Whether it is xanthine, whether it is acridine, whether it is benzene or camidolene. The correct answer is it is acridine. Acridine ring is present in the proflavin, as you can see here in the structure. I have highlighted this part, which is nothing but acridine moiety, and these are the two amines. So it is acridine ring which is present in the proflavin. That means only one difference in acridine is that at third position and sixth position it contains amino group. So it is 3,6-diamino acridine. Next question is, dash antiseptic and disinfectant contains acridine heterocycle, whether it is proflavin, whether it is chloroquine, whether it is benzene or sulfasalazine. The correct answer is it is proflavin. Dash antiseptic, that is proflavin antiseptic, contains acridine heterocycle. This only the way of asking is different, nothing else. Now here they are asking you which of the antiseptic disinfectant contains acridine heterocycle, and here they are asking you dash ring is present in proflavin. So answer is one and the same. Next question is, name the drug containing piperazine heterocycle amongst the given drugs. So whether it is DEC, whether it is piperazine citrate, whether it is prochlorperazine maleate, or all of them, the correct answer is it is all of them. DEC, that is diethyl carbamazine citrate, as well as piperazine citrate and prochlorperazine maleate all contains piperazine heterocycle. As you can see here in the structure, this is diethyl carbamazine citrate, citrate salt, and diethyl carbamazine. Next question is piperazine citrate. So this one is citrate and piperazine is ring. So it is simply ring plus citrate. Piperazine ring per citrate. Next structure you can see, it is prochlorperazine maleate, wherein this is nothing but piperazine ring. So all these three structure contains piperazine ring. Next question is, dash amongst the given contains imidazole heterocycle, whether it is methimazole, whether it is metronidazole, whether it is benzimidazole, or all of them. The correct answer is it is all of them. The drugs like methimazole, metronidazole, benzimidazole all contains imidazole heterocycle. So here you can see in the structure, this is nothing but methimazole, okay, metronidazole and benzimidazole. All of these contains imidazole heterocycle, which is nothing but, again it is ole. So it is 5-membered unsaturated. Only the difference is it is dazole hai, so it is 2-aza. So it is nitrogen, presence of 2 nitrogen. So it is nothing but imidazole. Now the imidazole containing drugs like it is methimazole, metronidazole, benzimidazole, etc. Next you can see here the every structure I have explained it in detail. Methimazole में this one is imidazole. अभी ये मेथ imidazole है, मेथी है, तो ये मे फॉर मिथाइल, थी फॉर थाया SH and azole for imidazole. So it is imidazole, methimazole, methyl, okay, thia and imidazole. Next question is, next structure is it is imidazole, like nitroimidazole class hai, and the example is benzimidazole. So in this case imidazole heterocycle is present, then nitro group is also present, then ole functional group is present, and methyl. So it is imidazole heterocycle, and the name of the drug is benzimidazole. Benzimidazole. Which belongs to the class nitroimidazole. So from here you can remember that in the name imidazole is there. That means imidazole ring draw karna hai, and all the top three contain substituents. So what all they? Now first is it is C. It is nitro and methyl. Then it is ole. So it is alcohol also. ethyl alcohol. Next structure is, it is simply as that of benzimidazole, wherein it is the fusion of simply benzene and imidazole, in which imidazole is present. Next question is, name the drugs containing xanthine heterocycle, whether it is caffeine, theophylline, theobromine, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is all of them. Xanthine heterocycle containing drug is मिथाइल xanthine बोलते हैं इनको, caffeine, theophylline, theobromine को. As you can see here in the structures, it is caffeine, theobromine, theophylline. This nucleus is same. So this is nothing but xanthine heterocycle, INE वाला xanthine है. So it is caffeine, theobromine, theophylline. Next question is, name the derivative of salicylic acid, whether it is PAS, aspirin, 2-acetyloxybenzoic acid, or all of them. The correct answer is, it is all of them. The derivatives of salicylic acid, PAS is also a derivative of salicylic acid. Then this one, 2-acetyloxybenzoic acid, see, as you can see here, it is benzoic acid, and this one is acetyloxy, CH3COO, acetyloxy. So it is at second position. So you can write down, it is 2-acetyloxybenzoic acid, and PABA is also there, and aspirin, which is only known as 2-acetyloxybenzoic acid. Next question is, here with this we finish with few of the MCQs from structures part 2. Stay tuned with us for the further parts on the structure. Take care and all the best all of you for the examination. Thank you.